Welcome back to Brand Theory Studio. Today we're going to be doing a Canva tutorial on their Magic Expand feature. This is a Canva Pro feature. It's fantastic. You can go ahead and take any image that you have and expand it to really fit whatever size you need. So that's what I'm doing here. This is an affiliate product for one of my clients, and I need it to be in a square form just for, the design and the layout that we have, and it's vertical. So this obviously wouldn't work. I can't expand it, and make it fit because then it's just all weird. So I need to really just expand the background here. So I'm going to use the Magic Expand option that Canva Pro has. If you don't have Canva Pro, I have a free 30-day affiliate link in the description below. Go ahead and get signed up and you can try out all of these cool features yourself. So having my image in the size that I want, I'm going to select the image itself, go to Edit Photo, and we're going to choose Magic Expand. Now they have some different options you can choose. I'm going to do whole page because I want the whole thing filled out, and choose Magic Expand, and we'll see what it gives us. And now you may get some really weird options, and you can just generate new results and keep going through, but I did want to point out that you want to be mindful of whatever it is that you're creating. So in this option, these are actual products that we are linking to. So I wouldn't want to use something like this that creates its own random product. What is this? It looks like some flowers inside of this grinder, and I don't know what that is, but you don't want to create something that just doesn't exist if you're promoting specific products. So I'm going to keep going, generate some new options, and see what else they have. So this is a fairly decent one. It's not random new products. I'm not even sure what this is, but we'll just keep trying. Okay, so this is probably the most kind of subtle one, I guess you could say. There's a random something on the right side, some leaves on the left. I don't want these leaves or really anything else, so I'm going to go ahead and just take this photo, but then kind of work on it a little bit. So on the left side, I'm going to hit done. And now this is our image. So we can then use any of the other features that Canva has for editing. So I'm going to have the image selected again and go to Edit Photo. And now I'll see what else I want to use. I think I'm going to try to use the Magic Eraser and try to see what happens when we erase this. Sometimes, because this is pretty a large area, sometimes it'll look a little bit messy. Oh, I wanted to do the other side too, but I guess it's just going. So we'll try to do it again and get it to blend a little bit more. It's looking better, but not great. So I'm going to erase this side. I don't really care about these little, I don't know what it is. Looks like parsley maybe. That's appropriate. It's a kitchen gadget. So that side looks good. A little kind of shady down here on the side, but you're just going to kind of play around with it and see how good you can get it here. And then if this is still not looking great, this is kind of dark on this side, I just want to clean this up a little bit more. From here, I'm going to go back and I'm going to choose Magic Edit. So now I'm going to select this entire section here on the left side, and I'm just going to see if we can tell the Magic Edit to match background color. Hit generate, and we'll see what it gives us, and we'll see if this will help us a little bit more. So even right away with the first option, it's looking so much better. So there are, different options that you can choose from. This is funny. But I think this is just fine and gives us really what we need. It's a little hazy there, but the size of this image is going to be so small that it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to hit done on the left side, and now you can see it here. It is a little bit, shadowy on that side, but I'm totally happy with that because, again, the image is going to be super small, and from far away and really tiny, you wouldn't even notice that little shadow. If you wanted to continue and keep going and, keep, playing around with it, you totally can. So we can go ahead and try it again and see if it'll match up a little bit better. So there's a little bit brighter, and that one there actually looks really great. I think that's the one. So when we click off of it, you can see how it's kind of blending in a bit more. I'm really happy with that one. So I think we're going to go with that one. That is perfect for what I need. Again, be careful just with whatever the image is for. If it's for something big that's really going to have a lot of detail, then I would be more specific with how I do this. I probably could clean up this right side a little bit more. That section here is a little hazy, but for what we need it for, this is perfect. So if you haven't used Magic Expand and you need to expand an image, get it the right size, I highly recommend it. It's pretty fun to see what it creates and to kind of play around with it. So let me know if you tried this feature or what you wish it had. I wish that it had the ability to tell it like Magic Expand the background, so you don't have these funky weird things show up. I just want the background expanded and then I'm good. I don't need it to create all of this randomness. So let me know if you try Canva Pro and use this feature and what you think. But I'll go ahead and see you in the next video. If you have a suggestion of what you want to see next, leave a comment below. I'm excited to build out this channel in the new year, teach you all about blogging, websites, design, all of it. So I will see you in the next video.